Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, we are going to be doing a Thomas the Train chip bag. And I'm going to pretty much try to do this using as little images as possible that I snatched up from Google. So when I immediately saw this image, I wanted this for my background. So let's go ahead and put that in place. And just so this doesn't look all smashed up. Oh man, go back. Moved the wrong thing. I don't want the train to look smushed, so I'm gonna go ahead and expand this. But I'm just gonna end up cropping it. Going to format and going to crop. And cropping it down to the size that I want. You know, just to stop the images from being all smashed. That's not a good look. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead, go to format, and go to send backwards. There we go. And then this image right here, I'm going to be using for the front. So let me see where there's my line right there. Where's my other one? Right there. Let's see. Hold on, you guys. Let me shut my door. My fault, y'all. My daughter had came in and did not shut the door back. Rude, right? Okay, so I don't want this to look distorted either. Oh no. You're going on the back. Right there. Right there. Perfect. Okay, so yeah, definitely don't want him to look distorted at all. So let me go to shape. Send backwards. And let's fill this in. What does black look like? I do not like the way the black is looking. No. Alright, let's see. Ooh, Jesus, no. Oh, no. Fix it. Fix it now. No, okay, I don't like that. So we are going to go here and find some gosh darn images because that was terrible. Also, while I'm here really quickly on Google, let me type in Thomas the Train PNG to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about when you search images. Okay, so I typed in Thomas the Train PNG. And if you look at this, if you can see it in the background of this picture, it has gray and white blocks. That means that it is going to be completely transparent. If you click on the image and the image has this white background, then you might have some trouble with it. It's still going to have a background, or if you use the tool inside a publisher, it's not going to be as crisp as if it was the gray and white square. So be conscious of that. Just because you type in PNG does not mean every picture that comes up is going to be PNG, because it definitely is not. Okay, so let's find another gosh darn picture to go on the front, because that picture is no, that picture is not cutting it. All right, let's try this one. Let's give it a go. All right, Thomas 6. Don't let me down. Let's insert pictures. Come on, laptop, keep up with me. Shoot, you starting to move slow. All right. Okay, this one looks like it's doing much better, but I definitely want to expand this a little bit bigger. Okay, remember we talked about this to just crop it down to the size that you want it. So let me just go ahead and do that. Not a big deal. Well, shoot. That means I gotta take all that out. God. Well, you know what? It might work. Let's see. Okay, it worked in my favor. Alright, y'all. Shoot. That was making me scared. Okay, nope, bring it back forward. Wait, nope, send it back. Let me get rid of this because that was trash. Okay, send back. Let's get rid of that. And bam, we're doing good. We are awesome. Okay, now let me just brighten this up by going to format, corrections, and ooh, no, that went dark. I don't want that. Ooh, nope. Nope. What you doing, Thomas? What is going on? Okay, we're not doing anything. We are going back to the original. I don't know why Thomas want to sit up here and act difficult, but I'm not with it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to shapes, go to rectangle. And let's add a border. I don't want no outline. Let's see what the red looks like. Okay, the red's not bad. Copy. Let's place it down here as well. Yo, this Thomas a train bag. Woo. Put me through some loops. Okay, and on the invitations, of course, you know what I was saying was, what was I saying? Let me see. Okay, yeah, all aboard, but let's see if we got something else. No. No, I'm just saying the all aboard. Ooh, okay. I guess we're doing all aboard in all caps. So, let me change that to all caps. What the freak? That is not. God, come on, get your life together. Alright. And let's go ahead. What color letters? Black? You guys, there's so many different ways that you could do this chip bag. Like, it's just, it's ridiculous. Let's see what white letters look like. Okay, not bad. Now let's insert some more text. Take caps off. What is going on? Calm down. Lordy. Come on, slide over. Alright, there we go. Now let's do these letters. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. No. Okay, that blends in too well. No. Okay, we're going with that. And you are going over here, mister. Well, he really don't need to go on the back. I mean, ooh, y'all almost forgot about the goddamn front of the bag. Shoot, this wasn't about to be a personalized thing. Alright, let's do, I guess let's do some white font. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, that doesn't look bad. Let's change this white again. put this down here. Okay, I don't think that looks bad. And you can easily change this up. Like if you don't want no black in it, you can easily just change that black to blue. Or no, green would make it look like Christmas. What other colors they use? Let me see. Okay, yellow. Let's try yellow. I don't think yellow gonna look too good, but I guess it's really just up to what the the customer wants. But I'm gonna go ahead and change this back to black. But yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. That is my take on the Thomas the Train chip bag. So yeah, the images, I'm going to upload the images to Patreon.